Welcome back to an Adobe Photoshop tutorial today, and I'm gonna talk about a beautiful option. Stay tuned. Start a new project. I want to place a picture. First of all, this is a picture, and if I import this picture to my timeline, then this picture is, here the size of picture is too small as compared to this layer. So if I just do like this one, and this would be stretched and it will look ugly, of course. And if I move there, I cannot make it same as my layer size. So I can undo these changes, and first you need to do one basic thing. If I just take a rectangle tool and I just do this one, and if I stretch this one, there is no free transform option available. It's not highlighted. So what I can do, Control Z again, and stay on this picture here and click on picture, and now go to layer, and here is your picture. Right click on it, not this side but this side. Right click and go to resize to layer. So many people were asking about it, that the picture doesn't do any changes, so you need to resize the layer. Once you are done here, then I need this picture and this background color to stretch around these edges, like up to all this layer. So let's start. Go to this option here and try rectangular marquee tool, and after that you select the part of your picture, not your face or body like this one. You just select this part of picture, right click on it, and now the free transform option is visible. Click on it, then once again right click on it and click on distort, and now these are 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 edges are there. So just drag these edges here. That's very cool. My background has been extended to that place, and now repeat the process for. You can select from the computer, you can press Control D to deselect, and from the Mac you can press Command D. Okay, we are done with my left side, and what about the right side? Same tool, go to marquee tool, select any part of the picture here you want to extend, right click and free transform, right click, distort, and drag these points up to the end of your timeline. Right, so I can drag up, down, and left and right. So now Control D or Command D after selecting this one, and that's it. Control D. And there is a line. You can also do this one. Once again you select the same tool. For example, I didn't make the right selection, so once again free transform, once again distort, and here you just bring it there. This, and if I say Control D, there is no white line. So my picture is there, my background has been extended. So this is how you can easily do that. Subscribe for more. I'll see you in the next one. Take care and bye bye.